Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make hard roti soft. First, combine your flour with warm water, around 100 degrees Fahrenheit, and a teaspoon of oil or ghee. This helps create a pliable dough. Knead the mixture thoroughly for about 8 to 10 minutes until it's smooth and elastic. Proper kneading is crucial for developing the gluten, which contributes significantly to the roti's final texture and softness. After kneading, let your dough rest for 20 to 30 minutes. This allows the gluten to relax, making it easier to roll. Next, divide the dough into equal portions and roll each into a smooth ball. Gently roll each ball into an even circle, about 6 to 7 inches in diameter, using minimal dry flour. Too much flour can make the roti dry and stiff. Now cook your rotis on a medium-hot tawa. Flip them when small bubbles appear, then cook the other side until golden spots form. Immediately after cooking, brush each roti with a thin layer of ghee or butter. This adds flavor and keeps them moist. For storage, stack the warm rotis, wrap them in a clean cloth and place them in an airtight container. If your roti becomes hard, don't worry. You can easily revive it. Lightly sprinkle a few drops of water on the roti, then reheat it on a tawa or in the microwave for about 15 to 20 seconds. This reintroduces moisture, making it soft and pliable again. Remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals. Enjoy your perfectly soft roti.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.